Good morning, children. Today we read The Broken Gate, an interesting story in a supplementary reading written by Ed Blyton. Fun time tales. Tales means story. Okay, here I'll read that. Before I'm explaining this story, I give you 5 minutes. Just go through the lesson, go through the story. Okay, now I'll read it and explain by para. You listen. Old man Twinkle wanted a boy to help him in his shop. He needed a boy who could drive Jenny, the pony, for all Twinkle's goods were taken round in the cart. So the old man Twinkle put a notice in his window, wanted boy to help after school hours. All the boys saw the notice and many of them thought they would try for the job. They could do it after school and on Saturdays, and it would be a good job for old man Twinkle was generous and kind. See here, the Twinkle, the owner of the shop, is a kind and generous man. He put a notice on the window, wanted boys to help after the school hours. Here you see Mr. Twinkle was an old man. He wanted a boy to help him in his shop. He needed a boy who could drive Jenny, the pony, which dragged his cart. So he put up a notice which said, wanted boy to help after school hours. Okay, now we go for the third and fourth paragraph. That evening, who are the boys came here there? All the boys saw the notice and many of them wanted to try for the job. They knew the old man would pay them well and they could do the job after school hours. George, Henry, Peter, and Harry wanted to see the old man Twinkle. You know that one who are the person? George, Henry, Peter, and Harry. Here another boy named Jack was a poor boy. He wore ragged clothes. He was the smallest boy among the other boys. He hesitated to try for the job because of his poor condition. Old man Twinkle was not ready to interview the boys. Not ready to interview the boys. All the boys thought that the old man Twinkle was at the front of the shop and he could not see what had happened. So now we can go for the other thing. He told them to play in the yard till he called them. What he told? Who told that one? The Twinkle. You play here and then afterwards I'll come and take interview. He told them to play in the yard till he called them. Jack also had gone there to see who would get the job. All the boys saw a yard gate swinging in to and fro. To and fro means front and back. You people also playing at home, right? At the gate you are standing and pushing in front and back. The same way all the boys, all the boys here, I told you already, Harry, Henry, it has gone. George, Henry, Peter, and Harry went to see the old man. I told you they only playing there in that one. Okay, I'll read another page and then I'll explain you what had happened here. But without to tell him, said Jack, it is rather cowardly not to. My mother says we always ought to own up the once when anything's broken. Can't we all five go and tell him what they are telling? When they are playing on the gate, to and fro, the gate broken. So what they are telling, come we will all of them go to the person, Twinkle, and go in inform him. No, said others. He might say he won't give any of us the job if we have done a thing like that. We won't say a word. What others are telling? We don't want to go and say inform him. If we go and say, that man will not give job to anybody. Okay. Now we go for the 10th paragraph. Mr. Twinkle told he would make his choice that evening. What is telling? We will go. Jack did not go back. Other boys are telling you don't go there and don't tell the truth that man will not give the job, right? He told them to play in the yard till he called them. I told you again. Jack also had gone there to see who would get the job. All the boys saw yard gate, swinging to and fro. They climbed up on the gate and pretended to be riding a horse. They're pretending like that they are riding the horse. The old gate could not bear the weight of the 5 boys. It broke away at the hinges. The boys thought that Mr. Twinkle had not seen what had happened in the yard. All the boys are thinking that one nothing will happen. The Twinkle is not seen, they're thinking. Jack suggested that they go and tell the old man about the gate. He said that one should accept the responsibility if something went wrong. The boys were afraid that the old man would not give any of them for the job if he came to know that they had broken the gate. They decided to keep quiet. Then Mr. Twinkle interviewed them one by one. In the paragraph the 20, they are telling the old man interviewed the one by one. So when